Mommy get everything.
5.
Mommy owns this house.
6, 7, 8.
Mommy owns this house. Mommy owns the house in London.
Mommy has 8 houses.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Igbo billionaire Obi Cubana has revealed that his houses, the one in Abuja and also the one in London, is registered under his wife's name, that the whole house belongs to his wife. That is really crazy, guys. In as much as the whole lot of issues has been going on in marital homes where wives get to take over their husband properties, but it seems like with Obi Cubana, there's still that loyalty, the trust among them and their family, which is really wonderful. Obi Cubana is not afraid to register his houses with his wife, and he's comfortable about it. That is what family truly is. I really love and appreciate that. That is what family is supposed to be. Not one person looking for an opportunity to screw over the other person, which is really disheartening. Marriage no be opportunity for you to grab. It's all about when you believe that two has become one. That is how it's supposed to be. Obi Cubana and his children were seen having fun as they returned back to Nigeria for the holiday season. It was really wonderful having the whole family back together. They were seen enjoying themselves, had the dinner together, and during the process, a conversation kicked off between Obi Cubana and the children, and he went as far as revealing that the houses belongs to his wife, like everything. Ooh. I really love that. I really love that. I really love that about that is what family is supposed to be. Listen to what Obi Cubana had to say.
So once you guys have an idea of the midterm break, you put in the family thing, so we plan a vacation around Europe. All these long holidays, Christmas must be spent in Nigeria.
Amen.
Easter must be spent in Nigeria.
Amen.
And summer starts in Nigeria.
Amen.
And we're trying to all those short breaks. We can enter Paris, we can go to Germany, we can go to Canada, America, any part of the world, okay? So the idea is that you guys will come and service this home, service the one in Oba, service the one in Lagos, so that you know that go and look at the property in Cubana Millennium City, okay? So, yes.
How much properties does Mommy have?
Mommy?
1, 2,
Mommy get everything.
5.
Mommy owns this house.
6, 7, 8.
Mommy owns this house. Mommy owns the house in London.
Mommy has 8 houses.
The one in Oba, I don't know whether all of us will be together.
Mommy?
You see her name.